Common Gamer here. I'm gonna do an unboxing video of this MonToy of fighter jets, 1 in 400 scale. It's from MonToy. This says Fly, Sonic Flyer, it says. And there's the back instructions of how to do it. Oh, nice F-16 flying. Oh, that's a German ME, I don't know. That's a German, measure spit coming in, the 20 engine bomber, and there's a German FW 140. That's strange. And then there. Oh, okay, I'm gonna open this up and I'll show you the F-14, the MiG-29, the F-16. Alright, open this up. Ah, it's pretty easy. And I got this. It's only $1.50 at the dollar store, so if you want to get it. Alright, I'm gonna put this camera down right now. Oh, MonToy, I like the prize rush. Oh, many airplanes with launchers, says in the back, but these are fighter jets. Not sure if they're die-cast metal or this plastic. Well, I'll find out. They seem to be plasticky. This is an F-14. There's the F-14. Smells like a chemical. I hope I don't die from this. Here's a MiG-29. It's 1 in 400 scale. And it's like wheels there. I don't want to bend these wheels. They already are kind of bending already from the package. I think they put these in hot. There's the F-16. Flying Falcon. MiG-29 Fulcrum. And the F-14 Tomcat. You'll still see some Tomcats in air shows. They use Tomcats now for the aggressor plane. And there's F-16 that's still in service. Alright, and here's the launcher. I'm gonna do a jump cut and put this on the floor. You'll see me in a couple of seconds. Alright, gonna do a jump cut. Okay, let's launch the F-14 Tomcat. Let's see how fast this thing launches these things. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That was fast! Sonic speed is right. That did break the speed of sound. That was like the speed of light. Let's do this again. And I'll do it the other ones too. I'm having some trouble with the launcher. It's kind of hard to put this in. Oh, come on. Worked last time. Alright, got it. Put this down lightly because it's very flimsy. It has like an elastic band. Alright, let's do this again. Huh. That is fun. Alright, let's do it with the F-16. Here's the F-16. Then I'll do it with the MiG-29. Alright, let's launch this. 3, 2, 1. That was fun. Alright, let's do it MiG-29. Here's the MiG-29 Fulcrum. Alright, let's put her in here. I have to say, this is a fun toy. I like this. It's sort of cheapy. I'll show you the bottom of it after I'm done launching with this, how it works. Alright, got it in. Gotta be careful. Careful, 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 careful. There you go. MiG-29. And I'm gonna launch this jet. 3, 2, 1, lift off! That one went all over the place. That was funny. Didn't go as far as the other ones, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this thing works. see right there, there's an elastic band. It goes in like that, and it clips onto this thing. It clips onto that thing, like that, and then you push this button there and top, and it goes like this. See? It goes like that. It launches the jet off of this thing. And it does launch it very fast, like that, and press this button. But this button could probably break easily. It's not really built. Yeah, but it's fun. Well, I just wanted to show you this. It's from MonToy. You can see right there. MonToy makes this thing. And it's $1.50 at the dollar store. And yeah, it's made in China. Who cares? Oh, nope, the three. Oh, those two people there, you see those two? They're not allowed to play with this toy. And it says recycle. Okay. Warning. Token has it's in English, French, and Spanish. This is made in China. Over there it says MonToy. Over here it says mini airplanes and 3 different languages. Same thing over there. And there's something in the box that's falling off in the middle, right here. It's like and in the back shows an F-16, and it shows it launching off of that thing. It goes 1, 2. That's how you launch it. Yeah, it says content and colors may vary. You can get these colors or those different colors. Oh, I wouldn't mind trying to get those colors. These ones, the dark colored ones. But I like the ones I got. They were good. The desert camo. Well, I meant the jungle Campbell. Sorry. Well, that's all for me for right now. This is Common Gamer signing off. Please subscribe and hit the like button.